Planning a reunion means keeping track of RSVPs, payments, and volunteers. That can become a lot to manage across separate emails, spreadsheets, and payment systems. With Cheddar Up, you can bring everything together on one organized collection page. But before you start building, think about what your reunion needs. Are you charging for admission or special activities? Do you need to collect RSVPs and attendee information? Do you need volunteers? Cheddar Up gives each of these needs a clear place. Use items for anything people will pay for, forms for extra information, and signups for volunteer roles. In this video, we'll show you how these tools can work together on one organized reunion page. From your dashboard, create a new collection page and select the Event Builder. Templates are available when you want inspiration or a faster starting point, but we'll choose Start from Scratch so you can see how each part is added. For this example, we'll make a class reunion. Next, add the main reunion details classmates will see when they open the page. Upload a class photo or reunion banner and add a clear title. In the description, include a welcome message and a quick overview of what the classmates can expect. Add the date, time, and location for the main reunion event. Use the FAQ section to answer common questions about dress code, guests, refunds, or who to contact for help. Use an item for anything connected to attendance or payment. For this example, create a reunion admission item. Add the price, description, and questions to collect the attendees' details and any meal preferences if necessary. If the reunion is free, set the price to 0 and use the item to collect a head count. Next, you can add a sign-up. For this example, create one reunion volunteer sign-up with roles for check-in, setup, decorating, and cleanup. Add the time and number of volunteers needed for each role. Once the main content is in place, review your collection settings. If you plan to accept cash or checks, review the available tracking options. You can choose to have payers cover the fees or have the amount taken out of what's collected. On an upgraded plan, you could also customize the receipt or confirmation message with reminders such as the event date, location, dress code, or other important details. Before publishing, preview the collection from start to finish. Check the banner, reunion details, and the checkout experience. When everything looks right, publish the collection. Share the link by email, text, social media, or your class group. You can also use a QR code on invitations, flyers, or reunion signage. After publishing, use the Manage view to track payments, attendee details, and volunteer signups. You can download reports to prepare headcounts, organize check-in, or share updates with the reunion committee. As the event gets closer, send reminders to classmates who still need to complete their RSVP. And that's how easy it is to organize a reunion with Cheddar Up. With RSVPs, volunteer signups, and payments all in one place, your committee can spend less time managing details and more time creating a reunion everyone will remember. Begin building your reunion with Cheddar Up today